thought I was giving a great demo. Honestly, everything worked. The flows were clean. Nothing crashed. Nothing broke. I was doing what I always do, explaining the logic. Why this block exists. Why this step talks to that one. Why the architecture is clean. I wasn't showing what the product does. I was explaining how I built it. And in the middle of my sentence, the person on the call stopped me. They said, "Wait, where do I click to get the result?" And I froze. Not because the question was difficult, but because I realized something I hadn't seen for months. I didn't have a simple answer. Not one button, not one obvious next step. I didn't build a result. I built a system. I knew every piece of it, but I couldn't point to one clear moment where a normal person actually wins. That was the moment it hit me. After the call, I opened my board again. Same project, same work, same flows. But this time I tried to look at it like I wasn't the one who built it, and it became uncomfortable. Every decision I had made was protecting me. Clean structure, reusable workflows, perfect naming, beautiful internal logic. It was safe for me, easy for me to maintain, easy for me to extend. But for someone opening it for the first time, there was no obvious path. I wasn't designing an experience. I was designing something I could be proud of. Without noticing, I had made myself the main user. The dangerous part is I had very good excuses. They'll learn it. Power users will love it. It's not simple, it's powerful. Onboarding will explain it. But that's not product thinking. That's founder thinking. That's me asking a stranger to invest time understanding my decisions. Real users don't want to understand your tool. They want the problem gone. They don't want depth. They want relief. This was the part I completely missed. Nobody wakes up wanting automation. Nobody wakes up wanting AI. Nobody wakes up wanting workflows. They wake up wanting the mess to stop. Orders not getting stuck. Customers not angry. Messages not piling up. Nothing breaking at night. They don't care about nodes. They don't care about tools. They don't care how smart the system is. They care about one normal day, a quiet one. I was selling a system. They were buying peace. The fix wasn't adding anything. It was removing things I liked. Options, branches, advanced settings, smart shortcuts. I started hard coding decisions, not because it was technically better, because it was kinder. And honestly, it hurt. Every deleted path felt like wasted intelligence. The product stopped being impressive. But something strange happened. People stopped asking me how it works. They just started using it. Now I work with one rule. It's not written anywhere. I just check it in my head. If I disappear tomorrow, can someone still get the result? Not understand the system. Not understand the architecture. Just get the outcome. If the answer is no, then I know exactly what I'm doing. I'm building something I enjoy, not something someone needs. That question keeps me honest. And honestly, it saved me a lot of wasted work.